What is going on, you guys? Lyrics are 1999 on YouTube. Well, for today, we're going to, well, we're going to make a, we're going to make another farm truck, I decided. And I kind of have an idea what I'm going to use for axles. So, kind of have an idea on that. Paint's going to be the interesting part. Haven't decided if I'm going to make this a flatbed or not. But I do know this. Or should we just... Yeah, I'll go with that. We'll go with that. Hmm. Well, I do need to do some work on tuning this. Move this thing over here. But yeah, I figured we're gonna make another farm truck, and this one's gonna be another two-wheel drive. You know what? We're gonna put the flatbed on the back. Screw it. I might as well have it on there. Uh, I'm gonna get the wheel width up, and I'm going to put no rear. Bring that out a bit. And we're gonna probably bring let's see what off-road tires I'm gonna buy. Well, for the back. Well, this is what I got so far. Yes, I'm gonna be diesel swapping it anyway. It's kind of dumb that you can't even put like a turbo, or you can put a turbo, you can't put a supercharger. But the dumb part is I've seen one with a supercharger before, but that was in BeamNG Drive. But regardless, anyway, of that, I could say this build's looking really good. Yeah, I'm probably gonna bring the rims up a little bit. You might as well say I've ruined it. Yeah, I've definitely ruined it now. I have ruined this thing. You can comment down below to see what you guys. Tell me down below if I've ruined it or not by doing it like this. But yeah, this mostly is gonna be like a tow pit rig. So that's kind of the idea. You know, simple tow rig, nothing too fancy. You know, and you're just able to pull the trailers, you know, perfectly fine and all that. And gear tuning, I'm not sure how to do that. I'm going to be honest. Every time I've done that, it's backfired. And it usually ends up it not working in my favor. But we can look at the other one I've done. If you guys want to see the previous build I did, this was the other one. And it does a good job. But I'm going to be perfectly honest. I kind of wish that one, the white C10 could pull more and pull better, but every time it pulls stuff, it struggles. And it drives me nuts. But again, I know I've done this truck before. Wait, I thought it was in the front bumper. Well, we're pretty broke when it comes to cash. Yep, we're broke. Now I can say the dumb line saying this. What do you mean you're broke? Oh man, that never gets old. And down to what? A lousy $3. Wow. Well, this is our build. Wow. I got 5 more dyno runs. Kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And we'll have a part 2 of me doing this build. I thought it'd be kind of a good idea of me to get myself back into off-road outlaws a little bit. I just need to decide if I'm going to use these wheels or I'm going to use the ones I put on the white C10. And I gotta make some, and I gotta do some, you know, stuff to where I make money and all that. And that's just, and I'd better do some of that off camera, cause it just be grinding work, you know. Unless you want to see on camera, comment down below. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.